Hi students, this is non-major elective class. I am your professor Dr. D. Silamarasan. This is class 7. In the last video we have seen that the binary subtraction through ones complement method. Hope you understand. Right. In this class we are going to see the binary subtraction by two's complement method. So as usual we before that we are going into problem. We have to we have to understand what is two's complement and then the steps to be followed, right? Two's complement is nothing but one's complement plus 1. That is we know that one's complement is we have to convert 1 into 0, 0 into 1, that is one's complement. So after which we have to add 1 to the result, that is called two's complement method. For example, the two's complement of 101. So 101, we have to first take one's complement, then we have to add 1. So 101, the one's complement for this number is 010. Then we have to add 1 to the one's complement. So that is one's complement plus 1. So we have to add to the last digit. So 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0. This is the two's complement. So two's complement is nothing but one's complement plus 1. Right, that is two's complement method. As usual in one's like in one's complement method of subtraction, here also 4 steps we have to follow. Step 1, get the two's complement of the number to be subtracted, subtrahend. We know that the first number is called minuend, the second number is called subtrahend. In one's complement method we have to take one's complement of the subtrahend. Here we have to take two's complement of the subtrahend. Then add the two's complement method of subtrahend with the first number, that is called minuend. There in one's complement method we added the one's complement of the subtrahend to the first number. Here we have to add the two's complement of the subtrahend to the first number. Right. Step number 3. If we get carry in the result, then the subtracted number is positive. Drop that carry and write the remaining as the answer. If we get carry in the result, then the subtracted number is positive. In one's complement also, if we get carry 1, the result is positive. Here also the result is positive. In one's complement method, what we do next is that we have to add this carry to the result, but here we have to drop that carry and write the remaining as the answer. That is the difference. Right. Step number 4, if we don't get carry in the addition, find the two's complement of the addition obtained and the prefix minus sign to it. Thus the answer is negative. In one's complement method also, if we don't get carry, that is 0, if we don't get carry in the addition, the result is negative. Then we will proceed with one's complement. Here we have to proceed with two's complement. Right. With this basic steps we are going to see the problems. Right, problem number 1. So find 11011 base 2 minus 11001 base 2 using two's complement method. So we have to label first A and B. So find means the first number is called A, the second number is B. So A is equal to 11011, that is called minuend, that is the first number. The second number is labeled as B, so 11001, that is called subtrahend, that is the second number. What is the first step? We have to take two's complement of the subtrahend. Two's complement is nothing but one's complement plus 1. So here is the B. So we have to take first one's complement. So 1 is converted into 0. Here this 1 is converted into 0. This 0 is converted into 1. This 0 is converted into 1. This 1 is converted into 0. That is one's complement. This is the one's complement. Then we have to add 1. So 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. That is the two's complement of the B. This is the first step. And second step, add the two's complement of the subtrahend with the first number, minuend. So 11011, that is called minuend, first number, that is first number. Then we have to add this two's complement to the first number. So 2's complement is 0 0 1 1 1. So 0 0 1 1 1. So we have to add. So 1 plus 1 0. There is a carry 1. So 1 1 1 resulted in double 1. So 1 is here. Another one is carried to the next bit. So 1 1 plus 1 0 here 1. 1 plus 1 0 here 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry here. So if the carry arises, the number is positive number. In 1's complement also, if the carry 1, that is carry arises, the resulted number is positive number. Here also same, right? If we get carry, next step is the result is positive, and drop that carry and write the remaining as the answer. So we have to leave this carry. So A is 11011 base 2 minus B is 11001 base 2. So if we get carry, the result is positive. So we have to put the sign positive here, and we have to drop the carry and write the remaining as the answer. So 00010 base 2. This is the one problem, and we are move to the second problem. Subtract 010.111 base 2 from 111.01 base 2. Right, here comes the fraction number. So we have first label A and B. So I told you in the last video that the number which comes after from is called A. The number which comes after subtract is labeled as B. So here A is 111.01. That is minuend. That is the first number. I used this word from for your understanding. So next B. 010.111, that is called subtrahend. That is a second number that is comes after subtract. Right, first step is we have to take 2's complement of the subtrahend. So B is 010.111. We have to take 2's complement for this number. So the first step is what is 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. Here the first step is we have to convert all the zeros into 1 and 1's into zeros. So 0 is converted into 1, 1 is converted into 0, 0 is converted into 1.111000. Then we have to add 1 to the 1's complement. So 1, so 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0.101. That is the 2's complement of the B. In the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to add this 2's complement with A. So the A number is 111.01 with this 2's complement. 2's complement is 101.001. Here the last digit. This number contains only 5 digit. This number contains 6 digit. So we have to write as such. Right. So here 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, the carry is here. So 1 plus 1 is 0, remaining 1, triple 1 gives double 1. Right, so here 1, there is a carry. Here the carry comes. If the carry comes, the result is positive. What we have to do is drop that carry and write the remaining part as the answer, as we have seen in the last example. Right, here you have to drop this carry and write the remaining part as the answer. So the first number 111.01 base 2 minus 010.111 base 2 gives positive. If the carry arises, the result is positive. We have to drop that carry. In 1's complement, we have to add this 1 to here. In 2's complement, you have to drop this carry. So 100.011 base 2. This is the answer. We will continue in the next class.